guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check blocked calls on Truecaller. So if you want to see all the calls that have been blocked on Truecaller app and you don't know how to go about it, this guide is for you. So first thing you have to do is open up your Truecaller app. So once you open up your Truecaller app, you're going to see your menu and you're going to see all the calls you recently have and the rest of that. And you look above your screen, you're going to see your profile. You're going to see where it says search numbers, and you're going to see this three dots right here. Click on the three dots and you're going to see all this right here, and you're going to see blocked calls. Click on blocked calls and you're going to see all the calls that have been blocked on your Truecaller app, so you can see the names and also the dates they actually called, and you can also try to call if you want, and you can see the Truecaller profile as well, and you can see a lot of comments this caller has had and the rest of that. You can choose to unblock the person if you want. So this is literally how to check blocked calls on Truecaller. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.